Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Untitled Chapter, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that is now DeFi dead or is still the future of finance? Because now we can see this dramatic decrease of altcoins, of many DeFi projects, that many scams, and what's happening now in the industry, right? So let's discuss that. The second news is going to be about the Coinmetro hack and that, Parsiq tokens were stolen. And what is Parsiq now doing? Because everything looks now quite safe. And they announced it on their site, but please do not sell or buy Parsiq tokens, okay? But I will get into the details in this video. And the third one is more and more celebrities are actually standing behind Bitcoin in a way that they are making Bitcoin more popular. They tweet about Bitcoin. They announce that they buy Bitcoin. And actually, this is very good for the Bitcoin industry for sure. So all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date in blockchain and cryptocurrency, the only thing you have to really do, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, because I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, you're getting a brand new video with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Plus, you can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram as well. And you can also educate yourself with us. We have a totally free course, which is about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Or we have our brand new course just coming out, last week. It's about understanding Bitcoin and blockchain. All things you need to know about Bitcoin and blockchain. And until the 10th of October, it's on discount price. When it was launched last week, it was cheaper. The price is going up now, but it's still now on discount price. So if you really would like to get the full picture about it, then it's worth to invest in this course. And now let's check out how the market looks like. Okay, so Bitcoin is right now at $10,599, which is a 0.09% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum at $336, which is a 1.32% decrease. And check out the last 24 hours and the winners. So Puma Pay, as we do know, it was going up tremendously before yesterday. Yesterday it dumped, and now it's like the leaders among here in the top 100 among the gainers with 9%. Loopring we have 9%, RAN we have 9%, and today looks actually better than it looked yesterday. Not massive numbers, but much more in green. And now let's move on to the first news, which is all about this article raised the question on Cointelegraph that is DeFi dead or is still the future of finance? And now we should look at, because what we have right now, there is definitely a bearish trend now in altcoins. If we zoom in and not out, of course. So what we can see in the last couple of weeks, that's what I'm focusing on. And the top quality projects, just like Chainlink, Aave or Synthetics, they have actually fallen half since their all-time highs. And actually some of the clone protocols, actually much more, some of them even 95%, according to the article. And, the total value, which locked across all platforms in DeFi, has declined also by 9.3% since all-time high in September, according to DeFi polls. And for example, Cosmos co-founder Ethan Bunchman stated that DeFi is a huge step forward to democratization access of financial products, but added that most protocols carry considerable risk that's not always obvious, right? So he says that it's a great thing, it's a great step forward, but risky right now. Unaudited and compromised smart contracts are high up on that risk list. Think about it. Many of these protocols have no audit whatsoever. They just launch them like one day to another, and of course, people are FOMO in because they think that's the new thing which just came out, and they're going to get rich. But because of it's not audited, you don't know if there's a bug in it or something. This is definitely high risk. Another one, Nicolas Pelakanos, head of trading at NEM, referenced that YEM Finance bug and its subsequent collapse as evidence that DeFi is still in a very much its infancy, with the structures and processes still in an experimental phase. Yes, so actually, also DeFi looking bright, the DeFi future, but where we are right now, we are very much in the experimental phase. I do agree with him. So yes, there are these kind of problems with many projects, but the direction is good. But we have to go through this so DeFi can get truly great in the future. And here another one that appears that some collateral is being moved from protocol to protocol as yield farmers, because they do that because they're always chasing the hottest DeFi food token. So basically, they move from one protocol to the other protocol, and this was clearly evident with the Sushi Swap boom, which deliberately attracted liquidity from Uniswap. So Sushi Swap take away liquidity from Uniswap, only to lose it all again when later the launch of Uni token and liquidity pool. So then Uni launched this Uni token, give this free airdrop 400 Uni tokens, and then many people, whoa, let's go back to Uniswap. So they swapped between exchanges. And the Uni token itself now it's more than down about 60% compared to all-time high. So many DeFi tokens are going down now. And also here another one that a massive API figure of 1,000% or even more yield farming are unsustainable, which means most of the experiments are likely to fail. So these are huge numbers. This was the marketing strategy to attract people, but be aware of it that many of them it's going to fail. However, he said that once they survive, those ones which survive have a real shot at the beginning the future of finance. So yes, there will be a selection. There will be projects which fall out, but those who survive, they will be probably the ones which they can move further and get the big ones in this DeFi industry. And Jason Wu, the CEO and co-founder of DeFiner.org, stated that the market is more mature now than during the ICO boom, so back in 2017, and the future of the industry will be largely impacted by the introduction of Ethereum 2.0, which could be maybe in this year, if everything looks fine, and a regulated way to bring DeFi to the mainstream. So actually Ethereum 2.0 can bring DeFi to the mainstream, and that would be actually great too. So let's sum it up. Is DeFi dead or not? I would say definitely not. Has it now a difficult period? Yes, it has. But there is a big uncertainty on the market. This actually pushing down the prices everywhere, kinda. And October is very volatile everywhere. You can see sometimes gold going down, going up, stock market down, up, crypto down, up, Bitcoin the same. So the same happening to the DeFi projects. And remember, these are altcoins, many of them very new. So, of course, their volatility is even much bigger than Bitcoin's volatility. And yes, there will be many of them which just disappear. And they were just there for a couple of hours, just a couple of days, or even a bit longer, but cannot really survive. But those one, the truly quality DeFi projects, they have really a great chance to establish the new future of finance. But of course, everything is keep changing, that's for sure. So we will see. Definitely, if you're watching these videos, I keep you up to date in this topic as well, because DeFi is right now massive, it's huge. Therefore, many people FOMO in, many scam projects coming out. So you have to be very selective which one to choose, and very careful when you invest in any of them. Okay, let's move on to the second news, which is about this Coinmetro hack. And, now you could see yesterday, because, where is that? Yeah. So yesterday in the morning, this kind of hack happened on Coinmetro crypto exchange. And we could see also that during the day, the Parsiq token price went down dramatically. So it's like 90% decrease or something in a couple of hours. And so actually, you shouldn't really worry about what they're asking now here at Parsiq, that do not buy or sell current Parsiq token as of now. So they working on the problem, and they working it really hard and actually effectively, because Parsiq was able to spot the problem with the withdrawals and alert the crypto exchange instantly, preventing the major part of the funds in the hot wallets to be stolen. So this is good news. And also, the stolen funds in yesterday's hack included Parsiq tokens, and the Parsiq platform has used a blockchain snapshot in order to hard fork their token contact. So basically, they're going to relaunch the token. The stolen funds will be restored to the token holders before the hack. So they have the snapshot. Okay, so that's very important. And the team of Parsiq utilized their advanced technology to do a snapshot of the blockchain of their token holders before the QCon hack, because that was another one, about $200 million. This snapshot has all the addresses with any balance and the exact amount of tokens on each address at the time before the hack. So even that one, it's covered. And here you can see the Parsiq team already has a plan to recover the Parsiq token stolen in the Coinmetro hack. So this is the one which happened yesterday, despite the fact that it was difficult but possible. And this is the most important part. And the difficulty really is when it comes to Uniswap, because you're talking about here are centralized exchanges, but decentralized exchanges, they're facing problems. The difficulty was to save the Uniswap liquidity providers. Those liquidity providers were advised that they have to take off the liquidity, from the decentralized crypto exchange. As a result, a large portion of the liquidity was taken away from Uniswap exchange, and this actually caused this dramatic fail, and people were also panicking. But now what the team is saying that please do not sell current tokens, and they're gonna fix everything. So at the end of the day, hopefully everything works out. But this was another hack. And the third news, it's about that more and more celebrities actually buying crypto, buying Bitcoin, and proudly, advertising it kinda on their social platforms. And now the recent one is Grammy nominated record producer joins the Bitcoin club, and the person is Murda Beats, and he's known as a popular music collaborations from Drake, Nicki Minaj, Travis Scott, and he announced to 283,200 followers on Twitter, basically, that I bought Bitcoin today. This was Okay, so yes, that's the one. He announced it. And it's interesting now that more and more celebrities getting behind Bitcoin in a way that they supporting cryptocurrency. And this is actually good for the industry because, these celebrities have a lot of followers. And they have definitely strong influence on their fans. So if they buying Bitcoin or they trust in cryptocurrency, then definitely those people who they can reach and those people who think about themselves like gods and role models would also say that, okay, maybe if he's saying or she's saying it, then his Bitcoin is good. Obviously, this is not the clever way to do it, because you have to believe in Bitcoin if you understand Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. To FOMO in without knowledge is extremely dangerous. What I just want to point out is now that this brings more popularity to crypto and Bitcoin. You know, back in 2013, Snoop Dogg announced plans to sell his albums in Bitcoin. Or during the ICO craze back in 2017, celebrities like Paris Hilton or Floyd Mayweather endorsed new coins that emerged at that time. Also, we have Gwyneth Paltrow, another famous celebrity who advocates for Bitcoin. Tech investor and actor Ashton Kutcher, who invested in Unicoin Gold, along with billionaire Mark Cuban. We have the former UFC fighter Ben Askren tweets about crypto regularly and supported the last Bitcoin halving in a way that actually he changed his Twitter name to Bitcoin halving May 13. So overall, Bitcoin has managed to turn certain skeptics into bulls. If you do remember about Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, they just bought through MicroStrategy Bitcoin value of $425 million. And he was the one who back in 2013 said that the days were numbered for Bitcoin. So totally skeptic and turned to a bull, a major bull, a whale. So yeah, overall, we do note that crypto assets, cryptocurrency, has right now still a very, very small market cap if we're looking at globally and we're looking at the full picture. So all these things definitely help to make Bitcoin and other cryptos even more popular. And now not just big investors, so really from the financial industry, but also celebrities, many of them saying that Bitcoin is great. But very important, educate yourself in crypto, in Bitcoin, in the blockchain, to understand it. Do not invest or don't listen just to people because they say it's good. Make sure that you understand the whole concept. And if you understand it and still believe in it, then you should actually invest. That's what I believe. So guys, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button, because that was it for today. If you want to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news, the only thing you should do to subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, because every weekday I put in new videos on YouTube on this channel. Hit the bell button so you can also get these videos as soon as they're out, because it's important sometimes to get the informations immediately. Just like now in Parsiq, it's very important. If you're holding Parsiq, then you shouldn't move it right now, shouldn't buy it, shouldn't sell it. Just stay calm right now. But this is right now happening, so it's time-sensitive content. Yes, and also you can educate yourself freely with us. We have our free course, How to Start to Invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Or if you want to get in great details and really understand Bitcoin and blockchain, we have a course for you. And on this week, we still have it on with a nice discount until Sunday, and then it goes back to normal price. So if you're interested, then now it's the time to buy it and invest in it. Thanks a lot for watching. Tomorrow I'm coming back with another video and the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.